Hi, my name is Laura. I'm an artist and I'm going to show you step by step how to make a geometric acrylic painting. What you'll need is a surface to paint on, some paint and acrylic paint, and some brushes and tape. So I'm going to do it in triangles. But basically what I'm going to do is tape off sections of my paper. I'm going to make my shapes with tape. And it's okay if you tape off of the page. That's not a big deal. All right. And now what I'm going to do is take my brush and I'm going to paint the areas that I've taped off. By the way, you want to make sure that your tape is secure to the page, fully adhering to the page. Okay, now you can paint over the tape. You just want to get all the way up to the tape. The tape is just basically making straight edges for you so that you don't have to make them yourself. And that's okay, because you can just paint it. As long as it lands anywhere on the page, it's good. So basically, you're just going to fill in all the white spaces with whatever colors you'd like. And then you're going to take the tape off. And when you take the tape off, you're going to have geometric shapes on your page in the shapes that you made with your tape. And your lines are going to be crisp and it will look beautiful. So I would fill in this with blue, this with whatever other colors, or you can just leave it white. But I think it looks cool if you have these lines going through it. So that is how you make acrylic painting step by step of geometric shapes. I'm Laura, thank you for watching.